Okay, we are on our way to some waterfall. We don't know where we're going.
I didn't know where we were going, but actually it is a very beautiful place with an interesting history. Dadieshui is the tallest waterfall in Yunnan at 88 meters high and 30 meters wide. It is also the first waterfall on the Pearl River, as the Bajiang River eventually feeds into the Pearl. The park in which Dadieshui is located was closed because of COVID, and people in general being encouraged not to travel. So we couldn't climb down to the base of the falls and really get a good look. Thankfully, the drone could do it. I found the fact that Jackie Chan used this site in his movie The Myth fascinating. I don't know if you're a fan of his movies. I haven't watched one in forever, but this one is particularly good. Jackie is famous for doing his own stunts. I am not sure, I couldn't confirm if he did this one or if it's even real, but legend says he actually jumped off the top of this waterfall. I'm impressed. Another thing, the theme song for the movie, which I'm using for my soundtrack, is called Endless Love. It is said to be the all-time #1 love song in China. It is a beautiful song. Finally, the plot. Jackie is a famous archaeologist plagued by recurring dreams of his past life as a famous and skilled general, Meng Yi. He agrees to go on an expedition to find the secret to anti-gravity phenomenon in India, where he sees a drawing of a beautiful woman who he has seen repeatedly in his dreams. She is Ok-so, a Korean princess who has been gifted to the Chinese emperor as a concubine to improve relations with the two countries. General Meng Yi is tasked to deliver her safely. Jackie somehow is transported back in time and space as the general, and of course they fall in love as Jackie repeatedly risks his life to save her. Since it's a Chinese kung fu movie, there are lots of fight scenes and levitation, and finally, hidden behind our beloved Dadieshui Waterfall in a cave is paradise, where Ok-so is waiting forever for her general to find her. You can watch it on YouTube for free in English. I will leave a link below.
이제 나의 손을 잡아